Right, we're doing whiskey highballs from America's Test Kitchen Cocktails. Pretty simple recipe. Get your tall glass, half full of ice, 2 ounces of your whiskey. We're using a Bullet bourbon. We're gonna go 4 ounces of seltzer water. And now before we finish it up, this old bar spool, you wanna reach to the bottom and you wanna pull that whiskey to the top to get the proper mix. Don't circle around and round because obviously they separate. And then once you're happy with that, we're going to top this bad boy up right to the top with some ice. Now at this point, you can also add a nice little lemon garnish. I am not very skilled at it, so I hope you do much better than this monstrosity if I did. And cheers.